The Poolin EOC06 Embroidery Machine paired with the EOC02 Sewing Machine is an impressive combination for both novice and experienced sewing enthusiasts. This duo is designed to tackle a wide array of sewing and embroidery projects, making it suitable for everything from simple repairs to intricate embroidery. The machine's features and performance make them stand out in a competitive market. Starting with the EOC06 Embroidery Machine, this model boasts an extensive selection of 200 pre-programmed stitches, which provides a wealth of creative possibilities. The ease of use is one of the machine's key attributes. It comes equipped with a large LCD touchscreen that allows for intuitive navigation through the different stitch options and settings. The clarity of the screen makes it easy to select designs, adjust stitch lengths, and modify tension settings. Additionally, it has a built-in USB port, enabling users to import their own designs seamlessly, which is a significant advantage for those looking to personalize their projects. One of the standout features is the inclusion of 4 embroidery hoops. This variety allows you to work on different sizes of projects without having to constantly change hoops. The hoops are well made and fit securely into place, which is crucial for maintaining the precision of your embroidery. The machine also supports automatic thread cutting, which saves time and enhances efficiency. This is particularly helpful during larger projects where manual cutting could become tedious. The embroidery machine's motor runs smoothly, producing clean and consistent stitches. The tension settings are adjustable, allowing for precise control over different types of threads, whether you're using standard cotton or more delicate materials. The EOC06 is surprisingly quiet for an embroidery machine, which is a blessing for those who might be using it for extended periods. Its overall performance is impressive, as it can handle multiple layers of fabric without a hitch, which is essential for quilting or thicker materials. Transitioning to the EOC02 Sewing Machine, this model complements the EOC06 beautifully. With its sturdy build, it has a solid feel that inspires confidence. The EOC02 offers a selection of 200 stitches, similar to its embroidery counterpart, but it shines in its functionality for general sewing tasks. The ease of threading is one of its best attributes. A built-in needle threader simplifies the process significantly, which is a feature that many beginners will appreciate. The machine includes a variable speed control, allowing users to adjust the sewing speed according to their comfort level. This feature is especially beneficial for beginners who may want to start slowly as they gain confidence. The foot pedal is responsive and comfortable to use, providing good control over stitching. An additional commendable aspect of the EOC02 is its robust tension adjustment system. It allows for greater flexibility when working with different fabrics, ensuring that the stitches remain neat and even, regardless of the material's thickness. This versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of projects, from delicate fabrics like chiffon to heavy-duty materials like denim. Both machines are lightweight, making them portable without compromising on stability. This is a crucial feature for those who may want to take their sewing and embroidery machines to classes or craft fairs. The compact design also means they can be easily stored away when not in use, making them perfect for those with limited workspace. However, there are a few minor drawbacks worth mentioning. While both machines come with a variety of features, some users may find the learning curve steep if they are entirely new to sewing and embroidery. The manual, while comprehensive, could be a bit overwhelming for absolute beginners. Additionally, while the included hoops are a great asset, larger projects may require additional equipment that does not come with the package. Overall, the combination of the Poolin EOC06 Embroidery Machine ** and the EOC02 Sewing Machine offers exceptional value for anyone interested in sewing and embroidery. The range of features, ease of use, and quality performance make this duo a worthwhile investment. With the ability to explore a broad spectrum of creative projects, from simple sewing tasks to intricate embroidery designs, these machines are sure to inspire creativity and enhance sewing skills. Whether you are